Jai Hind everybody. So today we will discuss the chapter coordinate geometry. The first point in this chapter is the distance formula. Distance formula. So now just look here. Suppose this is the coordinate axis. It's okay. This is the origin. This is the origin having coordinate 0, 0. Now just look here. Suppose we have to find the distance between 2 points and this is the one of the point in coordinate plane. Suppose this is the point x1, y1 in the coordinate plane, which is point A, and this is point B having coordinate x2, y2 in the coordinate plane. We have to find the distance between A and B. We have to find the distance between A and B. It's okay. So this is the coordinate system in which 2 points are given there, A and B. The coordinate of point A is x1, y1, and the coordinates of the point B, they are x2, y2, in which x1, x2 are abscissas and y1, y2 are ordinates of the points. So now just tell me, if the coordinate is x1, it means this distance will be x1 and this distance is y1. Then its coordinate will be what? x1, y1. Then its coordinate will be x1, y1. Suppose this is point P. And what about here? Just look at here. Suppose this is point Q. So what will the coordinate of this? It means this distance is y2. This distance is y2 and which distance? This one, OQ. The distance OQ is x2. If distance OQ is x2 and QB is y2, then the coordinate of this point will be x2, y2. Okay. Now just look here. What we have to given? We have OP. What is the length of OP? x1. It's okay. OQ is equal to, just tell me, x2. It means this one PQ will be OQ minus OP, that is x2 minus x1, यानी ये this distance, which one? This distance is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Now just see, if I join this, let this point is R. This point is R. Now tell me, what is the value of QR? Since now, again, tell what is there? This one, QB. BQ is Y2, QR is Y1, because this line we have to draw parallel to this. This is 90-degree angle here, okay, and this distance is what? Y1. What is Y1? QR. Therefore, BR, can you tell me what is the value of BR? That is BQ minus QR. BQ minus QR, and that is what? How much? Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1. Okay. Now in right angle triangle, which is the right angle triangle here? ARB. We will use Pythagoras theorem. So what the Pythagoras theorem states? The square of hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the squares of base, and that is AR square and plus square of perpendicular BR square. Is it okay? So now just put the values. It means AB square is equal to, just tell me what is AR? What is AR? AR is what? PQ. AR is equal to PQ or not? जो आएगा PQ square plus BR square. You have BR square. Okay. Since what is there? AR is equal to PQ or not? AR is equal to PQ. So we can use here. Now put the values. PQ is what? What is PQ? X2 minus X1. X2 minus X1. So its whole square is there. And this is what? Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Whose value is this? This is the value of AB square. It means AB will be given by square root of what? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So this is the distance between A and B. This is the distance between point A and B. So what is that distance? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Or you can say square of the difference between abscissa and plus square of the difference between the ordinates. So this is the distance between 2 points. This is the formula for the distance between 2 points. Now just look here. Suppose we have 3 points. Suppose we have 3 points A, B and C. Now those 3 points, either they will be in a straight line or they will not be in a straight line. If those 3 points are in a straight line, then the points will be collinear, otherwise they will be non-collinear. So now just we are taking this topic, collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity of points. Condition 4, collinearity. Condition 4, collinearity. Now we know very well beta that 2 points are always collinear. But what about the 3 points? There is a little bit difference. So just look here. Suppose beta we have these 3 points. These are the 3 points. x1, whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. A, B, C. These are in a straight line. These are in a straight line. It means they are collinear. They are collinear. They are collinear points. They are collinear point. They are collinear. Now just look that if they are not collinear, then they will be of like this. Suppose 2 points are here and 1 point is here. Is it okay? This is A, this is point A, x1, y1, x2, y2 or x3, y3. It's okay? So if we join them, so we got a triangle. If the points are not collinear, then if we join them, we got a triangle. If the points are collinear, then there will be no triangle. And if triangle is not there, then there will be zero area of the triangle. If these points are collinear, it means we can't form a triangle. If triangle is not there, so what will be the area of triangle then? Area of the triangle is 0. Okay? And if there is some area of the triangle, it means the points are non-collinear. then the points are non-collinear. Okay, तो क्या what we can say? Now first thing listen, कि area of triangle is given by 1/2, it's okay, and mod is here, this is the mod here, 1/2 mod, and just look at the inside, what is there? First you will write x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 और y1 minus y2 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Now just look here, if the points are collinear, okay, then there will be no triangle. It means, just note down it, if the 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. Area of triangle will be 0. If the area of this triangle is 0, it means the points are collinear. If there is some area of the triangle, it means the points are non-collinear. So this is the formula for this area of triangle. Is it okay? The concept is clear now. If the 3 points are collinear, if collinear means if they are in a straight line, then the area of the triangle will be 0. Now just look at this question. You find the distance between the points a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Just look here. Just look at the solution. A comma B, this is the point, and this is the point minus A comma minus B. So what we can say, this is x1 is equal to A, y1 is equal to b, here x2 is equal to minus a and y2 is equal to minus b. Now we can use the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? Suppose this is point A and this is point B. Okay, the coordinate of points are this one, where x1 is A, y1 is B, x2 is minus A and y2 is minus B. So now just look here, using that formula, since the distance AB is given by x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root of this. It's okay. And just look at one more thing. The scenes x minus y square is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy, or y minus x whole square is also x square plus y square minus 2xy. Just look at these two. These both are equal. These both are equal. It means what we can say? X minus y square is y minus x square or not? It's okay. So we can change this formula now like this. This is the simple formula. You can use it. But therefore, A, B, this can be also written as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 minus x2 whole square and y1 minus y2 whole square. So we can use either of the formula, either this or this. Is it okay? We can use either of the formula. Reason is this, because x minus y whole square is equal to y minus x whole square. Suppose I am using this formula. So what will happen? Just check here. x1 minus x2. What is your x1? A. This is A. You can write this. A minus, this is okay. By x1 minus x2, A minus minus A whole square plus B minus minus B whole square and its square root. So what will happen? Just look here. A minus minus A. This is 2A whole square and second one is 2B whole square. 2B whole square. What it will? 4A square plus 4B square. It's okay. 4A square plus 4B square. 4 we can take outside. What will happen? 4A square plus B square. 4 we can take here outside, na? So what will happen? 4A square plus B square. And when this 4 will come outside, this will come outside. So what will left here? 2 under root A square plus B square. It's okay. 2A square plus B square. So this is the answer of this problem. The distance between the points A comma B and minus A comma minus B is 2 under root 2 multiplied with under root A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Is it okay? Now we are taking the another problem. Check whether the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1. The points are 1, 5. This is the second kind of question. Check whether the points just take this example. that is 1 5 2 3. 1 5 1 comma 5 2 comma 3 and this is the third point, that is minus 2 minus 11. Minus 2 minus 11. Check whether the points are collinear or not. Collinear or not. It is okay. We have to check whether these points are collinear or not. So now just look at the concepts. If the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle will be 0. So now just look here. Look at these points. 1 5 is there. Just look at the points. 1 comma 5. Another point is 2 comma 3 and the third point is minus 2 minus 11. So what is here? x1 is here, x2, x3. Just tell x1 is 1 2 minus 2, y1, y1, y2, y3. y1 is 5, 3 and minus 11. Is it here? Okay. So for the checking of collinearity, we will find the area of triangle formed by these 3 points. Now the area of triangle formed by these 3 points. These 3 points will be given by half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and this is the mod of this. Now put all the values. What will happen? Just look here. That is 1 upon 2 x1 1. What is happen? y2 minus y3, 3 minus minus 11, 3 minus minus 11, 3 minus minus 11 plus x2 is 2 and y3 minus y1. What is here? Minus 11 minus 5. ठीक. Plus x3. What is x3? Minus 2 and y1 minus y2. 5 minus 3, and this is the mod. Now just check here. What will happen? 1 upon 2, this is 1 multiplied with 3 minus minus 11, 14 plus 2 Just look here, minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 plus this is minus 2 and this is 2. This is 2. Just look here, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now just look here, what will happen? 1 upon 2, 14 1 ja 14, 16 minus 32 and minus 4. So what is this? 1 upon 2, 14 minus 32 minus, just tell, 18 or minus 4 minus 22 minus 22. So what will happen? 1 upon 2, when you remove this mod sign, this will become 22, and this is the area of the triangle, that is 11 square unit. The area of the triangle is there. Area of the triangle is there. It means the points are what? Not collinear. It means the points are not collinear. So we can write here. Just look here after this. I am writing here. What we will write here? Since the area of triangle is not 0, therefore the points are, what kind of points they are? Points are not collinear. Therefore the points are not collinear. Is it okay? So these were the two concepts and the problems based on these two concepts. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.